Okay, we're asked to test a claim that the proportion of men who own cats is smaller than the proportion of women who own cats at the alpha level. Equal 0.05. So your null is going to be 8 sub 0. Proportion P sub men is equal to proportion women 8 sub A, and again the proportion being the percentage that own the cats, and they think that the proportion of men is going to be smaller or less than the proportion for women. Okay, so it's not going to be mu's here, so we're testing proportions. So, man, this one, right? So it's a less than, so it's a left tail test. So we know that N for men is 60, and we know that P, the percentage P hat is equal to, remember it's X over N. And then they give it to you as a percent. You got to convert it back to get X. Okay, so N of women was 20. We know that their P hat is 60%. Okay, so basically what we do is we take the 0.35, multiply it by the sample size 60. Now here we're going to take the 0.60, multiply it by the sample size 20. We got to get those X values back for stat test. What do you want? So remember, if these come out to a decimal, I would go ahead and round it up to the next number and see what StatDisk gives you. And if it marks you incorrect, just please shoot me an email. So StatDisk, analysis, hypothesis testing, proportion, 2 samples. Your alternative is going to be, let me get this over here. That is less than 0.05. Sample size of the first one is 60. Number of successes, which is the X value that we calculated, is 21 for the first one. Sample size of the next one is 20. Successes was 12. Evaluate. So Z, or test statistic, is negative 1.96684. Or p-value is 0.02460. Two decimal places, negative 1.97. P-value 0.02. Well, we know that P is less than or equal to alpha. 0.02 is actually less than 0.05. We know we're going to reject the null in favor of the alternative. I misspelled alternative, ALTERNATAB. That's what happens when I write with ink. And conclude ... You should have this down pat by now. We don't even have to do a statement after that, so in this particular problem. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.